Hello everyone, welcome to Race Tech. So here we are again here with another job update. So this job is from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring again for 2020 and 2020 to one batch. So Accenture has come again for 20 batch and 21 batch. So it is hiring for two roles. One is application development associate and one is advanced application engineering analyst. So one is for 4.5 LPA and one is for 6.5 LPA. So it is an amazing opportunity again for 2020 and 2021 graduates. So streams are like BE, BTech, ME and MTech in all the streams and all the branches are allowed. And MC and MSc people, only CS and IT people are allowed. Apart from this, no active backlog should be there at the time of onboarding, right? And also 1 year education gap is permissible after your 10th, so that if you have 1 year education gap after your 10th, then you can apply. So on your screen, this is the registration form to apply. The link of this registration form is given to you in the description. So first of all, it is asking you about the job title. So this is the job title, and you can click here to view the job description. The job description includes everything that I mentioned earlier. So it is asking you how do you find out about this job. So you can say job boards, social media, or a referral from a previous employee. Gender, male or female, first name, middle name, last name. University registration number, here you can add your university roll number in your university registration number. Email ID, this should be your email ID in which all your communication will take place. So this email ID you give very carefully. And mobile number, WhatsApp consent. Do you want communication from Accenture on WhatsApp? If you want, you can say yes. If you don't want, you can say no. You can add an alternate mobile number. You can add your date of birth. Be very careful that same date of birth should be on your PAN card. Current location, from which location are you applying? Is it Delhi, any state? Okay. Then highest education profile, it like your highest degree. So your highest degree will be your undergraduate if you are an undergraduate. Then you have to add your degree like BTech, BE, MTech, college, branch, year of passing, and then percentage or CGPA. Then your professional details, that how many years of experience do you have. This experience is a full time experience, and this do not include your internship. Okay. Are you working currently? Yes or no? So, do you have any offer in hand? If selected, how much time would you require to join? Like 3 months, 6 months? Then primary skills. Here you have to add your primary skills. Like what technology do you work on primarily? Like is it front end, back end, Java, C++, Android development? Then where you have used your primary skill, in your college project or in any internship, any training which you have done. Secondary skill, and where you have used your secondary skill. So mention your primary and secondary skills very carefully, because there is a possibility that they may ask from your primary and secondary skills in the interview process. Then certificate on your primary and secondary skills, if you have any, you can add here. Any foreign language you know. Preferred job location. So first preference, second preference, third preference. So add your first, second and third preference very carefully where you want to work. Gap in education. So how much gap you have? Like 1 year is permissible, so you can say 1 year. So have you worked in Accenture before? Any backlog? If you have applied for Accenture in 3 months, are you an Indian citizen? So you have to give all these details. These are very clear. Then you have to add your resume here. Resume should be really updated. Add a very updated resume. Add everything very carefully. All your work experience, all the projects that you have worked on, all the technologies you know, and add only those technologies in your resume that you are very confident about, right? Passport size photograph, you have to add your latest passport size photograph, and your college ID card. Government ID card, so government ID card is a PAN card, so you should have a PAN card with you if you are applying for job at Accenture. Then any disability that you want to mention, so if you mention, then you have to provide valid document supporting that disability, and then this is the consent, you agree and click on submit. So this is job for Accenture. It is for 2020 and 2021 people again, and it is hiring for two roles. One is for 4.5 LPA and one is for 6.5 LPA. The link is given in the description. You all can apply. Thank you.